is Vavoom and Gohan's cream sable male. He's the largest of the litter, born December 27th of 22. He's 5 months old, so he's going through his palm uglies. He's the sweetest and most gentlest of all the dogs. Very chill, make a great family pet, very patient and loving. He just wants to cuddle. He wants to be a lap dog. Hi. Hi, babies. Hello. Oh, babies. Hi. Boop, 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 boop. 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 Aww. Oh, sweetheart. Stand up just a little bit. Hi, babies. Yay. Hi. Hello. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Hi. You're a good boy. Yeah. Oh, who's that? Who's that barking, huh? You take a bye, okay? Or good night. Bye-bye.